What a beautiful sunset. So nice. Yeah, one of my last sunsets before I leave this place. So fine. Hey guys, moving day, and this is like boxes, like a lot of boxes, like guys, I cannot even believe it. And yeah, just those. Yeah, I'm really excited for this new phase and believing God for it. Yeah, see you guys later. Good morning. This is the current state of the room. I just woke up and it's a huge mess. I think this is the 4th day. I just moved into this place and I haven't had the opportunity to put away my things or to arrange my things. Yeah, this is the current state of the room right now. I'm going to go get some things at Primark and IKEA just to make sure this room looks and feels cozy enough. So yeah, let's start arranging and see you guys soon. Having it with this focus. So guys, this is the final arrangement. I still have a bunch of stuff coming in here. Hopefully in the next vlog it's going to be here. Like decorative stuff at the top of the cupboard like you just saw. I have this huge table and I'm going to actually put some picture frames up there. And so many decorations I'm thinking of putting on this table as well. Mainly Christian writings, to be honest, and picture frames will be up here. This is actually a very cute setup. I really like the tables and the lamp there. Another setup in IKEA. Nice one. I'm seeing the decorations are so nice. So if you want it, you can actually just. It's so cute. I love it. Which way? I'm not really interested. Guys, so I actually came down here. They said you should come down here to get this pillows, but I still didn't see what I wanted, so most likely I just have to order everything online. We're at Colombo eating. We have drinks and masa de arroz. Sorry, sorry. This is my friend's oven baked eggs. Let's have a try at least of the eggs. Actually tastes good. Because I actually tastes good though. I think I'll put it on top as well. Like I love the parsley on the eggs. Only God knows how she came up with oven baked eggs with rice crisps. This is rice crackers, right? These are the things I actually got from Primark for the room, yeah. And then this other came today, and I'm so excited to unbox it with you all. Like, it's so large actually. I have to find my scissors because I don't know where they are. So I got these very pinkish hangers. I think it's, yeah, from Primark. Frames. I'm going to use it on the walls here in my room. I really like it actually. I plan to put in it like Christian write-ups. I'm going to put it inside. I got two of that. Second one. And then this very nice scented candles. I don't really think this is nice. I was actually just forced to buy it because I couldn't find any smell that I really liked. And I just had to buy this. It's cedar wood and pear scent. And then there's also this citron. This is from Lidl. I really love it. Like, I was thinking to myself, I could have literally saved my money and gone to look for something I liked in Lidl, but I did not think of that. I never knew Lidl sold like very nice perfumed candles, and this is so nice. It's lemon scent, and it's so strong and beautiful. I can't wait to light it up and diffuse this room, right? Because it smells so good. I got this basket. It's going to fit in some cosmetics and I guess basically cosmetics and creams and lotions and all of that. And yeah, this is my favorite I bought in Primark. I love it. I think everybody knows this scent. Like, it's the very popular peonies scent. Oh, that's this sheet, and I love the texture, guys. Like, I'm going to link it in the description, but you guys have to get it. Like, it feels so soft. It feels so lush. It feels so good. Like, it just feels like I'm going to sleep on it for years. I don't know. It feels so good. And these are the pillowcases, right? I'm not really a fan of the design. Like, I'm not really a fan of this design, but I mean, it's okay. And then we have, I was thinking to get myself like PJs, right? That really, because I bought mostly clothing. I really like this one. This one's so good, stretchy, and the material is so good. Like, I don't know, the materials are just like, I think that's what's doing it for me, the materials. And I love the materials. They're so cute and very, there's this few they all have that I like. And then we have, I don't know what this is, I can't remember. I think I already put, oh yeah, I have one more sheet. Yeah, it's this one. Oh my god, the material is so good. Like, guys, with this materials, I'm going to be sleeping for, I don't know, I'm going to sleep so well. So well. So I'm just going to check what is in here. I cannot remember.
thousands of tears later.
It's actually big. I don't know why they keep saying it's not big. I mean, it's so big. And it smells good. Let's see how it feels on the floor, right? Which direction is that? If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I wanted to chip in before this vlog ends that this was one of my most chaotic moves, actually the most chaotic move I've ever had. But the thing is that God showed up, like he really showed up, and this was like my best experience moving. This is also something just to put out there that we should trust God more and lean on him, because in as much as we think things occur by chances and all of that, there's actually a reason for everything. That was one thing I learned during this whole move, and I'm really grateful for it.